they had a post, they had a rallying point, and even in Mindanao until today. Nandyan yung poste, ang Islam. So, nung bakbakan sa Mactan, siyempre, mas matapang talaga yung native na, I don't know how we were called at that time, but we were all Malays. Tinaga talaga niya si Lapu-Lapu and Duguhoy. Pero wala sa role of ating heroes. I don't know who was the office responsible for this fiasco. But instead of giving him an honor, a place under the sun, ang pangalan tuloy ng Lapu-Lapu, ginawa nilang isda. Kasi ko kalog mga pala ito mga taga. Kaming mga Bisaya, we have kept our silence long